Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan has a population of 35 million people. Tashkent has a population of 4 million people.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back.